Have you ever wondered how a single fertilized egg transforms into a complex organism like you? The answer lies in the fascinating world of cells, the fundamental building blocks of all living things. Each cell is like a bustling city, a microscopic universe teeming with activity. Within these tiny metropolises lies a remarkable secret, the ability to store and transmit vast amounts of information. This information, encoded within the very fabric of life, dictates everything from the color of your eyes to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Join me on a journey into the heart of this microscopic universe. Let's explore the intricate mechanisms by which cells safeguard and utilize the blueprints of life. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer elegance and complexity of the information storage system that underpins all existence as we know it. Imagine the cell as a bustling city, a hive of activity. Every city needs boundaries and infrastructure. For the cell membrane acts as the city wall, a selectively permeable barrier that regulates the flow of molecules in and out. This membrane ensures that the cell receives the nutrients it needs, while keeping harmful substances at bay. Inside the cell membrane, we find the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills the cell's interior. Think of the cytoplasm as the city's bustling marketplace. It is the site of countless chemical reactions, a dynamic environment where molecules constantly interact and transform. Within this bustling marketplace float various organelles, specialized structures that perform specific functions for the cell. These organelles are like specialized buildings within our city. Each one has a unique role to play in maintaining the cell's life and carrying out its functions. Like a well-coordinated orchestra, each organelle contributes to the symphony of cellular activity. At the heart of our cellular city lies the nucleus, a spherical structure that serves as the cell's control center. Consider it the city hall, the central repository of information that governs all cellular functions. Within this vault of secrets resides the molecule that holds the key to life itself, DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a long double-stranded molecule that carries the genetic instructions for building and maintaining an organism. Imagine it as a vast library, with each gene representing a specific book containing instructions for a particular task. These instructions determine an organism's traits, from the color of a flower to the complexity of the human brain. The nucleus protects and organizes this precious genetic information. It ensures that the DNA remains intact and accessible for the cell to carry out its vital functions. Without the nucleus, the cell would be like a city without a government, lacking direction and organization. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable structure of DNA, the molecule that holds the blueprint of life. Imagine DNA as a twisted ladder, with the rungs of the ladder formed by pairs of nitrogenous bases. These bases, adenine A, thymine T, guanine G, and cytosine C, are the letters of the genetic alphabet. The sequence of these bases along the DNA molecule forms the genetic code, a language that dictates the production of proteins. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, responsible for a vast array of functions, from catalyzing chemical reactions to transporting molecules across cell membranes. The sheer amount of information stored in DNA is astounding. If you were to stretch out the DNA from a single human cell, it would be about 6 feet long. To fit this massive amount of information within the tiny nucleus, DNA is tightly coiled and packaged into structures called chromosomes. But how does the cell actually use the genetic information stored in DNA? This is where protein synthesis comes in, a remarkable process that translates the language of DNA into the language of proteins. The process begins in the nucleus, where a copy of the DNA sequence for a specific gene is made in the form of RNA, or ribonucleic acid. This RNA molecule, called messenger RNA or mRNA, then travels out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm, where it encounters ribosomes. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell, complex molecular machines that read the mRNA sequence and use it as a template to assemble amino acids into proteins. Like skilled craftsmen, ribosomes carefully follow the instructions encoded in the mRNA, adding one amino acid at a time to the growing protein chain. This process ensures that the correct protein is synthesized with the precise sequence of amino acids, dictated by the original DNA blueprint. Section 6. The mighty mitochondria, powering the cellular world. No city can function without a reliable source of energy. For the cell, this energy comes from the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. These bean-shaped organelles are responsible for converting nutrients into ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell. Mitochondria are unique in that they possess their own DNA, separate from the DNA found in the nucleus. This mitochondrial DNA is inherited maternally, meaning it is passed down from mother to offspring. The presence of their own DNA suggests that mitochondria were once free-living organisms that were engulfed by ancestral cells billions of years ago. This symbiotic relationship between mitochondria and the host cell has been crucial for the evolution of complex life. Without mitochondria, cells would not have the energy required to carry out the complex functions that sustain life as we know it. Section 7. Mitosis, the dance of cellular duplication. Cells are constantly dividing and replicating, a process essential for growth, repair, and reproduction. Mitosis is the process by which a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells, each inheriting a complete set of chromosomes from the parent cell. Imagine mitosis as a carefully choreographed dance, with each step ensuring the accurate duplication and distribution of genetic material. The process involves several distinct phases, each characterized by specific changes in the organization of chromosomes and the formation of the cellular machinery required for division. Mitosis ensures that each new cell receives a complete and accurate copy of the genetic blueprint, preserving the integrity of the genetic information passed down from one generation of cells to the next. This intricate process is essential for the growth and maintenance of all multicellular organisms. Section 8. Fun Facts. Unveiling the wonders within. The human body contains trillions of cells, each with its own unique set of instructions and functions. If you were to lay out all the DNA in your body end to end, it would stretch to the sun and back over 600 times. Your cells are constantly replicating, replacing worn-out or damaged cells with new ones. Scientists estimate that there are more bacterial cells in your body than human cells. The study of cells, known as cell biology, is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to unlock new treatments for diseases and enhance our understanding of life itself. Section 9. A universe within celebrating the marvel of cells. As we conclude our journey into the microscopic world of cells, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. These tiny units of life, each a universe unto itself, orchestrate a symphony of activity that sustains all living things on Earth. The ability of cells to store, retrieve, and utilize genetic information is a testament to the elegance and complexity of biological systems. From the intricate structure of DNA to the remarkable process of protein synthesis, every aspect of cellular function reflects the exquisite precision of evolution. Let us celebrate the marvel of cells, these microscopic wonders that hold the key to understanding life's greatest mysteries. As we delve deeper into the cellular world, we unlock new secrets that have the potential to revolutionize medicine, technology, and our understanding of the universe itself.